If you want to get the iPhone ringtone on a Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and we can download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So I'm gonna go to search and we can simply type iPhone ringtone over here. There we go. And you should be able to find all these apps that can, at least in theory, give you the access to these iPhone ringtones. In my case, I'm gonna use this one as an example. We're gonna install it. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how to get the ringtone. So once it is installed, you should be able to open the app. So let's wait for that. There we go. Let's open it. And after that, we can tap consent. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime. This is quite natural at this point for almost every third-party app. All right, let's close it. We need to grant access to music and audio on this device. And also we need to grant the system permission so that the app can actually change the ringtone. So let's do this. And now over here we have the list of iPhone ringtones. You can tap on them in order to have a little preview. You should be able to hear them. So you can try to find the favorite ringtone that you wish to set. Once you find it, you can tap on 3 dots on the right side of the ringtone. Next we're gonna tap on the ringtone over here. You might see an ad again. So we're gonna wait a couple of seconds in order to skip it. And we should see that the ringtone has been set successfully. So we're gonna tap on OK, and just to check, to verify if it's actually set correctly, we're gonna go to settings, open sound and vibration, and then in here we should be able to find the phone ringtone. And it seems that indeed the ringtone has been changed. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.